Menteri Rangba Kejela ukon rat ki sangma hakasngi palai ulalit chingo ikatu kat ni kijaka hakasar tura pan bishar bnia ik jinglang jingman hamadan hadin kijingja badang shen jang kejing klumar bat kejing penjat ikimar ki mata hakani kejing ni chingo Menteri Rangba Kejela ulaya kran mikinang song kinang elam shnong bat ki het sarkar kat ba udang bishar bnia ikijing persyang ki badang ya chakmat pan pen phai biang ya kejinglang jingman ki benta ba pher jang kasar ulit jurit bro ikijaka kum kidukan kijingtei kiplasha penjulur pat pinti kena pak sarkar kan shim iksenjam ki badan kam pan kershani ki brio pat ki kam khayi ki basha kata kat bagi nong song ki babun kilami iman songba manashim benda kijing petkot akaleng ki benda jang katura kai ib gi dikhot jang ke emlang salang kin hun samla kiseng balang ke trilang pen khot ik jabo jaban ki tiar ki balasha penjulur pat ki bami ni ki bathang hadir ki klumar badang shen
Mungkin tampaknya. In RML area, in and around RML, there are about 7-8 localities here. So there is shortage of rice and shortage of eating materials. I think we should contact all the development committees in this area. ADCs, will put them on board, all the development committees, and we should distribute according to the list that they give. We'll give a bit of rice to everybody. Okay. This will be done ASAP because the areas affected is not much. It's only this RML area mainly. But then we'll expand it to other areas also. But as of now, it is RML area. जहाँ से भी करना है करो बस काम करो बस बाद में देखिए कैसे करना sama-sama.